I got this truck bed storage bag. Let's go ahead and open it up so we can check it out. All right, so this is what you're going to get with this package. So again, it has this really nice little storage bag to put it all in. Of course, you get the massive size cargo bag. This is a nice heavy duty material. Looks like it's going to work great. You get the manual, and then you get a good set of pretty nice bungees, it looks like, to hold this in place in your bed of your truck. So let's go ahead and put this in the truck and start filling it up. All right, so I started laying this out and getting it ready to put in the bed of the truck. The good thing about this is it is a nice size storage bag, but it probably will fit in pretty much any truck bed. So let's take a look at the cargo bag. It has a really nice weatherproof zipper that you can see here. It's got the rubber lining on the outside and really nice thick zippers. So that's always important on something like this. But at the same time, it also has this Velcro. So this is a lip that folds down after you've got it all nice and zipped up. Then you're going to fold down this protector to go on the Velcro, and this again offers you even more protection because zippers are really not waterproof. They're weatherproof, and they try to get, water wicked away because of the rubber, but there is a possibility that water could still get in through a zipper. So they add another layer of protection here. The material on this bag is really nice and thick. I think it's going to be something that will have no problem keeping out the elements. Also, there's these straps so you can secure the bag in the bed of your truck. So you shouldn't have any problem securing this bag. Let's go ahead and start loading this thing up. So one tip on this also, and it shows in the manual, is to put the zipper side to the tailgate so you can easily get to it. So to find that, just look for the logo. You'll know that's the zipper side. Basically, the zipper side means it's got the zipper and it goes all the way around, and the very far back, the zipper does not go across. So it goes all the way to these corners on this side and on this side. So it gives you a huge opening to go ahead and load it with stuff, but it does not go all the way around. It just goes three sides. And that's so it has a flap to be able to flip over and load it. Put the zipper side to the back so when you're loading it, you can get it nice and loaded up, and then you don't have a problem opening it and closing it or accessing something in there if you need to. But as you can see, I've got this bag loaded up pretty heavy with all my tools, a bunch of different things that I don't want to get wet. So now I'm going to go ahead and zip this thing up and start strapping it down. All right, so it is zipped up. Here's the two zippers. They have these little finger catches on them so that they're easier to get to. And again, the Velcro. So we want to pull down this protection layer here over the zipper, especially since we are going to be getting some rain in the next day. I'm going to go ahead and finish pulling all that down. I'm going to strap it in the bed. So when you're strapping this in, this does come with 6 bungees. There's 4 here, and then I've got a couple here. Cool thing about the bungees is they are adjustable. So as you can see here, I've got the extra part of this bungee hanging out, and I wrapped it around and locked it on the hook. They're adjustable. You can get a nice clean fit, make sure it's all working right. I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of the bungees on, and we will be on our way. I really like the thickness, the heavy duty material that this cargo carrier is made from. Makes me feel like this is going to work for the long haul and something that I can keep for a long time. It also looks like it's made of some material that would be pretty UV resistant. So I don't think that you're going to have a lot of problems with this sitting out in the sun. But again, don't ever leave anything out in the sun that doesn't need to be out there because the sun tears everything up. The bungees look like they're made of a pretty strong material. It looks like overall it's going to work out really well. If there's things you need to carry in the back of your truck and you need to make sure they're not going to get wet, this is the way to go. All right, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.